Introducing the all-new 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, the compact SUV that takes versatility and performance to the next level. This latest model packs a punch with its upgraded 2.5-liter boxer engine, now delivering 190 horsepower for a more exhilarating driving experience. Plus, Subaru is rolling out a new hybrid variant, offering enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising the power you expect. The Crosstrek's legendary Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system has been fine-tuned to handle any terrain, from bustling city streets to rugged mountain trails, ensuring you're always in control, no matter where you go. Step inside, and you'll find a redesigned interior that's both comfortable and high-tech. At its heart is a large 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system that puts everything you need right at your fingertips, from navigation to entertainment. Safety has also been enhanced with Subaru's updated EyeSight driver assist technology, which provides even greater protection with advanced hazard detection and collision avoidance. And with the new driver focus system, the Crosstrek keeps an eye on you, ensuring you stay alert and safe on every drive. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is built for every adventure, blending style, capability, and cutting-edge technology in one sleek package. The all-new Subaru Crosstrek, your gateway to boundless adventures.